Hello and welcome to this demo trade discounts. What are trade discounts? Trade discounts are discounts that are given to organizations or individuals based on their type of business. To set up this trade discount, we must set up the type of business. And to do that, we go to the software systems and click on type of business. Here we need to create the type of business. We are going to create just 3 types of business. We click the first one, add business, and let's assume we add wholesaler, and let's say those who belong to that group, we are going to give them 10%. We save. Then we add another one. This one, let's call it retailers. Let's say retailers, we give them 7%. Let's create one more type of business, individuals. For individuals, we give let's say 3%, and that is the setting. Having set this up, the next thing we are going to do is to link this type of business to the customers. We do that by editing the customers that we have. I've entered a few of them. We click on search and continue. Let's start with the first one, Doshuma John. Because we activated type of business, you could see it here. I will say this person is a wholesaler, and we save. We go to the second one, Ondina Moses, and we classify this one as a retailer without putting the discount value here. The software will still track it. We save. The last one, TV. In our classification, we are going to classify TV as an individual. And having done that, we now click on save. Let's go ahead and buy the product so that we have enough in quantity before we sell. We do that by going to accounts payable, vendor invoice, and the appropriate accounts have been selected. Let me backdate it to buy on the 3rd of January, and we'll just put a description here, purchase, and know the code is 1000. Once you press on enter, we can now enter the quantity. Let's assume we are buying 1000 units, and that is the price we are going to get for them. Once you update, great. Now the next thing we're going to do is to now post. Since everything is in order, we now click on post. So we have the quantity now in stock. Let's now go to sell them. Once we click on the account receivable, sales invoice, you could see the business type. This Doshima John is a wholesaler. Let's put a description for the sale of it, and we have the code here again. You could see immediately the price has been reduced. That product used to be sold for 4,000, but because this man is a wholesaler that we're going to sell, the price has been reduced. The discount has been automatically applied to the customer. Let's assume he is going to buy 500 bags. Once we update, you could see, let's put the date. It's buying on the 7th, and once we update, this is what we are presented with. You could see the price. I want you to take note particularly of the price that is buying, and once you click on post, the transaction has been posted. Let's select another one, TV. You see he's an individual and he only has 3%. Could also put the sale of it here and the product code. Once you click, you could see the software has calculated the price. It's only 3%. He's not buying the product at 4,000. Let's assume that this one we buy 100 unit. 100 unit. Once you update, this is the total cost of buying 100 unit. Let's set the date. The date, if you backdate it, the date should be on the, let's put on the 12th. You update and we now post. You see the price. So let's go to the last person on donor. On donor. Once you click, software will fetch that name automatically. This one is a retailer. He has 7%. So let's say sales and the code is 1000. Once we click, the software has calculated. We have 400. Let's assume we are going to sell 200 units and we are selling it on the 18th. Can update. You could see how the software is calculating once the customer is among the type of businesses that are there. You could see, let's pause this. Let's create one more customer that is not among the above type of business. Add customer. We create a customer called Haruna Danjuma. We select this account, and having done that, we're not going to select any business type of business here. We simply go ahead and click on save. Now let's go and sell to Danjuma. Good. Now let's sell the product to Danjuma. Sell of it 1000. Once you click, you could see that Danjuma is going to buy the product at 4,000, unlike the other ones that were buying at below that price because they were giving a trade discount. Let's assume he's buying 20 bags or 30 bags. 30 bags. If we update, we could change the date here also, and we click on update. From here you could see the price is buying exactly at the price that is there. So that's how to treat it. So once you click on post, the software has posted. Let's look at our trial balance and see what has happened. Report trial balance. Once you click, you could see this is the transactions that have occurred. The main important point here to note is how this trade discount has been applied. Thanks very much for your attention. I will see you in my next video.